This torch is really good. It works on butane. It has a good capacity of tank, lasts long time. Very powerful, adjustable flame. It can be used for many purposes. It is also made of good quality wood, plastic and metal. I bought this from AliExpress, available also on Timo, Amazon. More details in the link description. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You might like a video or so, consider subscribe, like and share. All the best and hope to see you next video. It also has a safety switch to lock and lock. Please be careful, do not let kids to play with it. It can be really dangerous and easy to refill. After refill, it takes a few seconds because the protein is still very cold. That's why it's not flaming.